The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tazewell County, northeastern Peoria County, Stark County, western Fulton County, Woodford County, until midnight. At 11:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pekin, or near Delavan, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. Expect considerable tree damage. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pekin, Morton, Delavan, Groveland, Green Valley, East Peoria, Minor, Deer Creek, Armington, South Pekin, Mackinac, Kingston Mines, Laura, Mapleton, Mossville, Princeville, Rome, Trevoli, Eureka, Metamora, El Paso, Bayview Gardens, Congerville, Canton, Tulane. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.